What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. We are here with some very exclusive early access Black Friday prices that Samsung is dropping on their website. So what we're going to do is going to dive into all that, let you know how much you can save, and so on and so forth. Without any further ado, if you're new to the channel, please guys, help the channel out, support the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you're new or returning, make sure to hit that like button. It definitely helps the channel out. I greatly appreciate it. So without any further ado, we're gonna head over to Samsung.com and we're gonna see what they're talking about. So we are here on Samsung.com, and the first thing we're going to check out is the Galaxy Tab S7. As you can see, they have different models ranging from the Tab S7 11 inches, the Tab S7 FE 12.4 inches, and the Tab S7 Plus coming in at 12.4 inches. Now they have different prices for different models, as you would expect, and it looks like most of these models are slashed down for about a $100 to a $200 difference. So as you can see, this is the original price, $849.99 for the S7 Plus, and now it's down to $549. These are early exclusive Black Friday offers. So you can get the Wi-Fi version, and they also have different storage versions as well. But realize when you get a different storage version, if you want more storage, you're going to be paying a little bit more, from 64 gigs, which looks like is not available, to 128, 256, 512. Now you can select from any of their 4 color options. It looks like the Mystic Black is out of stock right now, but you can select from any of the other options. Now, from what I can see, this is dependent on a trade-in. So if you want the best price, you would have to trade in some type of a device, whether it be a mobile phone or a tablet. So we are going to click on mobile phone and see probably what is the best deal we can get. So if you trade in the Galaxy Z Flip 3, it'll take a whopping $350 off of that price. And if you want to trade in a tablet, let's go with Samsung. If you trade in the Tab S6, you will get $150 off. So it looks like the better deal will be if you have a phone and you so happen to have the Galaxy Z Flip, the original version, you can get $350 off, which will get you that price that you see at the top. So yes, it is dependent on a trade-in. So you can either pay it in full or do a 2-year plan. It's completely up to you. Pay it monthly, add it to your monthly cell phone bill maybe, but these are the exclusive Black Friday options for the Tab 7. So let's swing it over to the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Alright, so now we're looking at the Galaxy Z Fold 3, and it looks like it's showing at the top the best available price for this is $649.99 with an eligible trade-in. So we're gonna see how that absolutely breaks down and what we're gonna actually be paying. So it looks like it's only offering that unlocked version, but no, that's just the Samsung recommendation. So make sure you scroll down before you click that option. So you can add it to any of your cell services, and it's only 2 options of storage. You can get 256 gigs or 512 gigs. But with that being said, like I said, if you change the storage, it will change that price from $649.99 to $749.99. And you can pick any of the color options, the Phantom Black, Phantom Green, or the Phantom Silver. So if you have a trade-in and it's eligible, let's see what will give us the most for our bucks. So we're going to click on mobile phone, and we're going to go to Samsung, and I would imagine the Galaxy Z Fold 2, yep, just as I expected, $900, which will get you to that $649 price, because that is a massive trade-in deal, and it's pretty similar to when you originally ordered the phone. They offered $900 for my trade-in specific. So let's click on the tablet section and see how much they will offer. So if you have the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, which is newer, obviously they will give you the most for that, which is $450, but that will not get you the $649 price up here. You can trade in a watch as well, but the best that you're going to get for your money is trading in a phone. So if you have an iPhone, perhaps iPhone 12 Pro Max is $750. So it's still a good chunk, but it's not the most you can get. So if you do have a Z Fold 2 and you're thinking about upgrading to the Z Fold 3, this is probably going to be the best time to get it and the best time to upgrade. So with that being said, you will also get free Galaxy Bud 2s, okay? Wireless earbuds for free, and you will get a free wireless charger. So these are exclusive deals in their own because they're free now and you don't have to pay the price tag for those. So you're going to get a massive deal right now. Swing over to Samsung.com if you're thinking about upgrading, because they're offering a whopping amount of money to get everyone to upgrade to their devices. So you can have different payment plans right here, but that's completely up to you. So now we're going to switch over to the Galaxy Z Flip 3. So this one is a little bit interesting because you have the original version, which has different color options, but you also have the bespoke option as well. So if you want to get a bespoke case or brand of phone or edition, you can upgrade and change the colors to the top and the bottom accordingly, and it lets you sit here and customize it. So we're going to go back and see. So you can have the bespoke edition or you can have the regular edition, but the regular edition does have different color options as well. And just like with any other option we showed here today, if you change the storage, it will change the price. So if you want the 128 gigabytes, that will be $299, which is what you see up here with that eligible trade-in. But if you want a little bit more storage and you want to go to that 256, your price will be $349 with eligible trade-in. So for the color options for the original version, you can get Phantom Black, Green, or Lavender. So if you want to trade in the device, let's see if they will let you trade in a Z Fold 2, because on the other page it showed it as a $900 trade-in. So when you click on Samsung and you go to Z Fold 2, it is only offering $650, which is still a lot. But if they offered $900, this phone would basically be free, and they don't want to do that. They need to make some kind of money. So if I click that option, it will keep it at this $249. I think it actually went down. I think it was $299, but it will keep it at this $249 price. And you will also get the Galaxy Buds 2 and the free wireless charger, all for free. So as you can see, if you scroll all the way down, the ending price is $249. Like I said, if they offered $900 for the Z Fold 2 to get the Z Fold 3, this phone would virtually be free. So they have to make some type of money. But to get a brand new flagship phone for $250 when it just came out this year, you guys, that is an amazing steal. Granted, there are a little stipulations because you need to have a Galaxy Z Fold 2. It seems like that's the key for these trade-ins, but you need to have a Galaxy Z Fold 2 to get the most bang for your buck, whether you want the Z Flip 3 or the Z Fold 3. That's going to be the end of the video, you guys. I want to keep it short and sweet. You know I like to get you guys from point A to point B without any distractions or any shenanigans, okay? Make sure if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I definitely appreciate it. And if you're returning, make sure to hit that like button. It helps me out in the YouTube world, the algorithm, the YouTube space. I really appreciate it, you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.